Removing stripped screws is possible with the correct tools and techniques. Here are a few budget-friendly options. First, try a different screwdriver with a smaller or larger head size, or switch to a flathead. If the screwdriver doesn't catch immediately, stop to avoid causing further damage to the screw. Another simple tool worth trying is a pair of long-nose or side-cutting pliers. Get a firm grip on the screw and turn the pliers until the screw loosens and can be removed. If the pliers don't work, upgrade to a screw extractor. Be sure to choose the right size extractor, load it into your drill, and set the drill in reverse. The cutting side will clean out the screw head. Then you can flip to the threaded side. This side will cut into the screw until it catches and begins to remove it from the material. A rotary tool is also a great option. Secure a thin cutting disc to your rotary tool and cut a notch across the stripped screw. Then, fit a flathead screwdriver into the notch and try to back out the screw. There are also a few DIY options to consider, like using a rubber band. Place it over the stripped screw. This will fill in the space and give your screwdriver extra grip when turning it. Follow these tips to keep your project moving along smoothly. And thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.